Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. It's still January the 23rd. And I've said this in other videos here in the United States, it's the beginning of the tax season. And the name of this article that I saw this morning is Why the IRS Fears Bitcoin. And frankly, I don't know if the IRS really fears Bitcoin, but that was the name of the article. So I was going with it. So this is yesterday New York Times article. And again, I don't really think the IRS fears Bitcoin, but it did give some interesting numbers, which I don't know how they arrived at these numbers, but they're nonetheless interesting. But anonymity is also the main fuel for the underground economy, which is now conducted largely via cash, the underground economy. So what they're saying is the cash economy, in other words, paying a contractor in cash, paying your hairdresser in cash, cash tips. Um, wow, this is huge. The IRS loses about $500 billion annually on not taxes, on unreported wages. And they're saying that if crypto moves into that space, not that the IRS would admit that they're in trouble, but they could be in trouble. And that's one of the reasons, one of many, I guess, but one of the reasons, and if you didn't know this, I'll give you a little snippet here. The IRS went after Coinbase, and it's kind of interesting. I just did a video on Coinbase a little bit ago. That the IRS wanted maybe not free reign, but they wanted Coinbase to cough up like a lot of records from like I think like 2012 to 2015 or 2013 to 2016, something like that. And the IRS said, well, I'm sorry, the court said, well, we're not going to let you see all of the accounts and all of the users that are registered. But in November, like 3 months ago, 2.5 months ago, the judge ordered that Coinbase revealed the identities of the customers in about 14,000 accounts. And those represented like 9 million transactions. All I'm trying to say is the IRS obviously is losing out on tax dollars when A, people pay in cash, right? And B, the whole crypto surge. So, yeah, take a look at this article. I think last year, the number that's been tossed about was only in the United States like 802 people, 802, 802 people actually um, put their Bitcoin profits on their tax forms. And it's certainly a whole lot more than that. Anyhow, the IRS and why it fears Bitcoin. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you being part of my crypto family. See you later.